Team, you have put so much effort into making this playbook really sing. Let's not let it go stale, okay? A stale playbook is worse than no playbook at all. A stale playbook creates confusion, and confusion means we could make some mistakes. So let's not do that. So today we're going to talk about how to keep it alive, trusted, and actually used. Playbooks don't stay useful by accident. This requires intention. And to stay useful, because, well, they stay useful, I should say, because someone takes ownership of them. Updates are happening consistently, and adoption is treated like a leadership habit, not this one-time launch, set and forget thing. This is the part that we see a lot of businesses skip. And even if they've done a great job of rolling it out in the past, they'll come to us because like no one's using it. And this is why. This is what they haven't done well. And that's why their playbook essentially is sent out to pasture to die. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Now, here's how we do it. It's all about tracking. So you don't need complicated analytics. We just need visibility, okay? So the simple things you want to track are first and foremost usage. Are people actually opening the playbook? Now, you can do this a couple of ways. If you're using software like Trainual, like we use and recommend, you can see that. You can see quite clearly who's opening what, for how long, how often, right? Absolutely amazing. If it's Google Docs, you might need to sort of see who accessed it last. You might actually have to actually engage with people and ask them, have you been using the playbook? Then second thing is think about repeat questions. So what questions keep coming up? So that'll tell you if people are not referring to the playbook, or if they are, something could be missing or something could be unclear. So you can check on that. Number 3 is process breakdowns. Excuse me. Now, where are mistakes happening and where do bottlenecks occur? Where is work slowing down? So check for those things next. And then 4, remember your updates. Are your SOPs being refreshed when things change? So have a rule in the organization. If, for example, Zoom changes something and they do a rollout, a software update, we've got to update our SOPs. That has to be the rule. As soon as someone sees something change, update the SOP. And if you track those 4 things, your playbook will stay relevant and keep serving you at the highest level. Now, maintenance rhythms. So the simplest rhythm that we've tested that works, monthly, have a quick cleanup. So fix any broken links, update anything that's changed, add missing SOPs based on those repeat questions if they haven't already been added in the flow of work, which we do recommend. Now, quarterly, we're talking a deep review here. So review your workflows at this point. So your processes. Check ownership. Make sure, there's nothing left out in the ether if someone's changed roles or left the organization. Refine those training paths. Check in with new people that have joined the organization. Did this work? Is there any way you got stuck? And also remove any duplicates. This will happen. People with the best intentions, you'll end up with duplicates of things, and that's okay. This keeps the playbook light, current, and trusted by the team. Now, again, I doubled down on this in the last video. I'm going to double down on it again here. The one rule: if something changes, if a process changes, if a procedure changes, if a piece of software changes, the playbook changes. Not later, not when you remember, immediately. And that is how we keep the playbook relevant and make sure it's our source of truth. So your action step for today to lock this in, to keep everything rock solid, is to pick your owner, your process owners, and schedule a 30-minute monthly playbook cleanup. Then ask your team one question. What's something you still have to ask someone instead of finding it in the playbook? Whatever comes up, that's the next thing you document. And that's how we keep the system alive. And team, this is the last video. This is the full playbook system. And if you've been following along and you've been implementing, I want to congratulate you because you have the foundations of a rockstar playbook. This is how you build a business that runs smoothly without it running you.